Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I'm Cody.
I'm Bree. Alright, so today we are at Thicket Food Park and we're going to be trying out some food trucks.
Yes.
So Austin is one of those places that is very food truck heavy. There's like one on every block. And this is a park where a bunch of them
They're collected together.
Right.
And it was one of the better parks around, and it looks like they have a whole bunch of options for food. So we're really looking forward to seeing what they got.
Alright, so come on with us.
All right.
So this food truck park was located in South Austin and they had a wide range of trucks. The first place we decided to check out was a place called the Corn Dog Company. They had fried Oreos and fried Snickers, and since I'd never had either, that was where we decided to go first. Fried Oreo, fried Snickers.
Oh my God. It's a fried food. Ooh. Ooh. So hot.
But I'm glad that it's hot. It's good.
Wow.
That's good.
That is so good. That's a good batter.
Yeah, it is. It complements it very well. That is delicious.
I like this a lot.
Yeah, I would give this like an 8 out of 10. This is good. I mean, you can't really go wrong with deep fried. Okay, that's the Snickers.
Try a little bit of this. Okay.
How was that one?
That's good. Yeah, you give it a go. I like the Oreo a little bit better.
Okay.
But that's pretty darn good. I do like Snickers a lot. It's a little sweeter with the chocolate. It's good.
That's like really indulgent.
It's there. I think anything becomes really, really indulgent when you fry it up like that. Yeah.
You could have the rest of that.
Oh God.
Alright, so for the cookie, like the batter itself is sweet.
It's a honey batter.
Honey batter, okay.
It's a honey batter that they use, yeah.
Yeah, it's like, you could tell it's corn, but it's almost like a cake.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
There's a subtle sweetness to it. It's really good. Yeah. The Snickers one, it's a little too sweet in my opinion. It's a little overpowering.
Yeah.
I like the Oreo better. It's better balanced.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, really good.
It's good.
After the fried Oreos, we decided to grab a drink at a food truck called Wonky Blends. We ended up getting a drink called Green Lightning, which was a juice that featured pineapple, apple, cucumber, kiwi, spinach, celery, basil, ginger, and chia sprinkles. It's good. Tastes healthy.
All sorts of berries in here. I wonder what the yellow berries are.
I think it's chia balls. That's what it said was in there.
Chia balls. That's cool. Tastes like a little bit like wheatgrass. But a little more palatable.
Yeah.
There's a good sweetness in there.
I thought it was a good balance.
I think so too. It's tasty. It's refreshing too today.
Yeah. Next on our radar was Han's Homemade LLC Mekong Delta Cuisine. After looking at their menu on the front of the truck, we had to try the chicken banh mi sandwich.
It's falling apart.
Ooh, that looks good.
It's a chicken sandwich made fresh. It's all coming out.
There we go.
All right.
Don't want to miss that. Split it in half.
Yeah, let's do it. Good. It looks like a lot of fresh ingredients on there.
Yeah. That's a great sauce. Very refreshing. That cilantro on there, that's delicious.
What did it have? Bell pepper, cilantro, onion, carrot. What is that, cucumber? Looks good.
And y'all, I know we weren't too descriptive on how the stuff tasted, but just know it was good. We were enjoying ourselves. All right, so we're leaving. So we're leaving the food truck market. We ended up getting fried Oreos, fried Snickers.
And a sandwich.
And a sandwich.
It was a chicken sandwich.
Yeah, a banh mi.
I think it was a banh mi. Yeah, it was like a chicken. It was like a baguette sandwich. It was really, really good food.
It was really good.
We were waiting a good 30 minutes.
But it was worth it.
She was the only one working there, and she knows how to cook.
Yeah, it was delicious.
So good. It was very, very well balanced.
Yeah, wasn't too, the sauce on it was like, it was just enough. And then they had those fresh vegetables that had like a touch of freshness to the sandwich.
Yeah, yeah.
Really, really good.
It was so tasty.
I would recommend if you do come to this park to try that.
Go to the green trailer.
The green trailer.
We'll probably have a picture of the name of it. I can't remember the name of it, but she knows how to make some really, really good food.
Yeah, and we decided we're going to leave because we want to visit a food truck that apparently has Jamaican oxtails, and we want to get there before he closes or he runs out of food. So we're about to go ahead there and pick some of that up.
Oh, there's like food trucks over here. Wow.
Oh, okay, so it is another little mini park.
A little mini park, all right. Hey guys, we're back.
We're at the intersection of Brody and Slaughter.
Brody and Slaughter, yeah.
Another little hidden gem. So we're going to try to check out this Jamaican food truck here.
Yeah, and over here it looks like there's 5 different trailers to choose from.
Bless you.
Oh my God.
Oh, we should have came here first. So we ended up finding the truck we were looking for called Winston's Kitchen. We ended up getting 2 orders of the oxtails as well as the order of the jerk chicken. Just to note, the oxtails were $20 a plate and that jerk chicken was $13. After ordering, we ended up having to wait for about 45 to 50 minutes while they made the food. They did suggest that if you decide to eat at that restaurant, to order in advance because it takes a long time, obviously, to make the food. All right, so we got the food. We got oxtails as well as jerk chicken.
Oh yeah.
Ooh. Oh wow.
That looks so good.
All right, so it looks like here we got an oxtail with the sauce on it. It's got lima beans, carrots, and then we also got a it looks like cabbage.
Looks like a cabbage
with
salad.
some vegetables, yeah.
Cooked cabbage salad.
And then we also got some rice.
Mm-hmm.
And then with the jerk chicken, it comes with jerk chicken and the same 2 sides. So let's go ahead and get into it. It smells good.
It smells awesome. Try a little bit of this jerk chicken. Oh, yeah. Spicy.
Okay.
It's spicy. Ooh, that's good though. That's real smoky.
All right. Ooh, that fell right off the bone.
Yeah, this is real.
Nice and tender.
Nice and tender. Oh man. That's just, it melts in your mouth.
Oh my goodness.
It's just so good. Let me see this little cabbage. Okay, that's really good too.
Okay, you want to try the rice too? All right. All right, y'all, it's my turn to try it. So I'm going to start with the jerk chicken as well. That's really good. I'm gonna do one more piece of this chicken.
Yeah. I love the smoky flavor in there. And the crust is so good.
That's so good. Okay. Let's try the oxtail. All right. A little bit more. That's pretty good. Very tender.
Yeah, it is. I'd have to say, I like the jerk chicken a little more. Just because it punches you with more smoky flavor.
I gotta say, my grandma's oxtails.
Oh, snap.
Let me taste the slaw.
I really like that cabbage slaw. It was good.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah. It helps cut through the heaviness of the meat.
And the spice.
Yeah.
Nice coconut-based rice. Ooh, enough. This is good. Try this oxtail sauce one more time because my mouth's kind of burning, so I can taste it. That is a good sauce on it, though. That is good. But my grandma's are better. All right, you guys. Well, that's going to conclude this video.
Yeah.
We just had the oxtails and the jerk chicken.
It's so good.
It was delicious.
So good.
It was a very good day for food.
It really was. We kind of tried a little bit of everything today.
Yeah. Very nice day. Fun date night. So
yeah, it's a fun date day.
A date day. Yeah.
It's been a really, really nice day today.
Yeah, I would definitely say check out Winston's as well as, well, all the places we visited had good food.
Yeah.
Nothing was like, oh, that's a dud.
Nothing was
Everything was good.
Yeah.
So yeah, get up there if you're in Austin. Check those places out.
Go out and explore.
Yeah.
Have fun with it.
Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video.
Thank y'all for watching.
Peace.